Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. Let me show you a new feature in PDF. So if I open a PDF and I'm in a document library, I see the PDF and here it's a leasing agreement. It has 2 pages, and if I go and edit this, I can see that I can add text or add a pen or highlight or erase, but the new feature is a watermark. So if I click here, I can actually add. Now you will see that I have 2 options. First is the text. The second is an image that I can put in the background. So let's start with an example for the text. Let's call it read only. And I maybe will choose to make it bold, maybe italic, and I can even give a color. So let's make it red. You can see it's already here. Now I can fix the size. Let's make it maximum. And maybe I want to rotate it, and let's make it 30 degrees. So you see it looks like this. I can change the transparency to make it, as dark, or make it very soft. I think this is looks good. And I could choose the location where I want it to be. Let's keep it in the center. Now I can decide if I want to show this on each page or only specifically on one page. Once I do this and click apply, then this is how it will look, and actually I can save it. Now the second option, as you can see here, I can choose a picture. Well, let's just remove this and choose to add a picture, and I can upload a picture. So I have in the document library a picture of this Copilot, but if I don't have anything here, I can also upload from my local computer. So let's look for Copilot, and yeah, I found this, so I will upload it, and let's replace this, and I will use this. And as you can see now, I added it to the document. I can choose the scale to make it big or small. I can choose to the rotation, and I can choose a position, and maybe I would like to make it transparent to make it not as strong this way. And once I click apply, you will see that this appears on each page that I wanted. If I save this, then you will see that next time I enter it, it will save it. So let's go into the PDF, and you see I have this watermark, and this is exactly what I wanted. One last thing is, as you can see, I could add multiple items. So this is the first one. If I want to remove it, I can click on remove. If I want to update, I could do the same. If I want to add something totally different, let's say read only. And then I could actually apply this. So you see here, it's adding it in addition. Let's make it maybe larger, and let's put the location over here and click apply. And now we have applied both this image and also this text. So hopefully it helps you in any way, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.